I'd like for you to enjoy a Thyme and Tonic with me. This is a spirit-free cocktail for those of you who want to enjoy it that way. And we're going to start out with our thyme syrup. You a full ounce of this into my cocktail shaker. A half ounce of clarified orange juice. Clarifying the orange juice is just going to remove all of the solids from there and really let the orange flavor come through. For this cocktail, you could use a highball glass or whatever vessel you have around your house. A lot of times I drink from these. I'm going to strain my thyme syrup and clarified orange juice right over that fresh ice and top it with tonic. And then rosemary hydrosol right on top of glass and in the drink itself. This will really amplify the experience as we go to enjoy. And finally, I'm just going to add some fresh orange peel. Expressing the oils into the drink to echo the orange juice in there and adding the peel to the glass. Enjoy!